Deviance refers to violations of social norms. Whether a behavior is deviant depends on cultural definitions and people. Deviance is often relative and ambiguous. Just because an act is deviant does not mean it is a social ill. It just means it does not fall into the realm of normal in that culture. Societies use social control to limit deviance and maintain social order. Informal social control happens through face-to-face interactions, like informal adverse reactions to someone picking their nose in public. Formal social control refers to the law and criminal justice system punishing criminal deviance. Functionalists see deviance as serving positive functions that contribute to society. Emile Durkheim believed deviance challenges people's views and, when punished, reaffirms norms. Robert Merton's straying theory notes that deviance increases when there is a gap between social goals and the means to achieve them. Social disorganization theory blames deviance on weak social ties and lack of enforcement in communities. Functionalists consider deviance inevitable and sometimes even necessary for social stability. Conflict theorists view deviance and crime as stemming from class inequality and disproportionate power in society. Karl Marx saw crime arising from inequalities between bourgeoisie business owners and proletariat workers. C. Wright Mills described a power elite of wealthy celebrities, politicians, and executives who can define deviance to maintain status. Conflict theory also highlights inequities in criminal law, like harsher penalties for drugs used more by lower classes. Conflict theorists see the justice system as often serving the powerful over the weak. Symbolic interactionists focus on the constructed nature of deviant labels and meanings. Labeling theory examines how people are labeled deviant by society. Edwin Lemert distinguished primary deviance as a minor norm violation versus secondary deviance, where a deviant identity forms. Edwin Sutherland's differential association theory says deviance is learned from close peers who provide models. Overall, interactionists see deviance as culturally relative and enforced through labeling.